Okay guys, here's our 3D rendering of the kitchen. A few tweaks since I sent this to you last week. Wine Captain in the island. The island is 80 inches long, 58 across. We still have 42 inches between the fridge and this side over here, and I don't want to go any bigger. It's just a comfortable space. Microwave, trash can, the side, or just a false panel on the Wine Captain there. I adjusted the hood. Instead of having the sloped front, this is open, an arched rail here, and just an insert hood underneath. Drawer stack to the left. Balanced these cabinets out. This would just be a false front, since this drawer stack goes straight back. When you open this door, triangle shelf inside. This is a full standard square cabinet. Left and right of the sink, balanced this out. Open the door, cookie sheet, cutting board divider, and there's a rollout behind there as well as here. Dishwasher, triangle cabinet, and a drawer stack. And then our fridge here with fridge legs that are the same door style, that Teton, as we talked about. And our upper cabinet here. Posts, and we can easily fit 3 people here. So, this is our current space. This is pushing out the bathroom and leaving this little alcove here for the on-demand water heater. So if we want a grandiose island, this is as big as we can get, and this will work. This will look nice. My opinion, these 45-degree corners are really tricky, and they burn up space quite a bit as far as usable cabinet space. So if we want a big grandiose kitchen, we can get there using this a little bit. This is the best we can do with this space. Or another option is this here. So this is swinging for the fences. And let's go big. And if this doesn't work, we can scale it back. So big thinking. The window wall is, this window wall stays, and then those 45-degree bays get pushed out, and we'll have to do some looking. I'm somewhat walking into no man's land over here because I did not measure around that pantry. So don't hold me to exact measurements on this, but the pantry is gone, the bathroom outside is gone, and we don't have a space for the water heater. But my intent in doing this was getting rid of those 45-degree corners because they waste space so much. So option number 1, the first one I showed you, we had 160 square feet of door front. This one is 168, and it looks a lot bigger. And you can see they're relatively close in comparison, but this is such a bigger kitchen. So your front door is somewhere in here. So when you walk in, you immediately see it. Our island is over 100 inches across. This is going to use up a full slab of granite. The depth is still the same, 58 inches. Wine Captain, our microwave, the trash can, another standard cabinet right here. And I did shift the window over to balance this out. So this is a lot of work. As far as structural and stem walls, I don't know, but this is just a big idea. And again, if this does not work, or if it's too much work, we can scale it back. This would be our pantry. Some glass cabinets, exposed interiors, and that a same hood idea, a spice pull out. I mean, I can go over, if you guys like this, we can go over some of the details in here. But some of the ideas that was pulling from, if we did a look like this, just a Teton door style, a little bit of a rustic look with a dark stain. Now, we don't have enough room to do this because these are 42-inch uppers and your uppers are only 36, meaning from about here down. Well, we could technically do this, but your lower doors are going to be pretty short. But just some inspiration pictures or something like this. If we did a wet bar, it's going to have to go on the other side. And again, if your kitchen table's here, that wall over there, to put a wet bar on that side here. But just trying to get a pulse on you guys as far as the look you're going for. I'm thinking something like this. That looks nice to me. Or this even. A little bit more elegant with that wider, brighter countertop. So, big ideas here. Let me know what you think. It's just surprising. I wasn't 100% sold. I heard you guys say grandiose, and this will look nice, but it's tough to pull off grandiose with this. I don't want to minimize the work, or if this is what we do, I don't want to minimize and take away from that. It'll still look good, but I'm trying to do my job of thinking of big ideas for you guys if you're going to do this, because it's only going to be one time. So let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.